Lonnie here, Texas Racer Syndicate. Bought some of these cheap $7 lights on Amazon. And this had red stickers on the front, but it's just not enough. This is going to be our little lightweight fun build, so we're going to put some good lights in it. And we're just going to do the quick way. I took the stickers off, I drilled it out, find out which way I want the wiring to go, like so. Boom. You just use your step-up bit is what I did, and just do a little bit at a time until it fits. Bam. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to super glue it now. If my wife brought my super glue back, she didn't. So we're doing it. Closer so you can see. A little bit more on that one. People wondering how this body got so light. Well, I took everything out. Stripped it all out. I'm using Velcro. Took all the little mounts out, everything. Got rid of anything we didn't need on this. So maybe some more stuff gotta go. We'll find out. Alright, so while it's drying, we're gonna set that to the side over there for a minute. And we're gonna work on where we wanna do our wiring, how we're gonna hide it. For now, I'm just gonna run it through all the way, and the switch in the back underneath the battery and whatnot. To the ESC. Remember, always power up. On lights like this, you're going to want to skip the top one because it's signal and go to the very bottom with the negative underneath your brake. Okay, remember your motor goes in the white. I'm just running stock motor right now. Okay. And then your ESC, we're going to have to hide all the wiring. So for now, you do like so. That's not gonna work. See if we can run it down. This is going to have to do the same thing for now. You got plenty of room in the truck and it's not heavy. Alright, remember, signal up, orange red top, brown bottom. It's the first slot. Boom. It's that simple. We can get some zip ties, throw on there, zip tie all these wires together, whatever, after we're done. Now I'm going to leave it alone. For test period purposes, we'll hide everything here in a little while. Alright. Let's go ahead and pop the battery in like so. Shoulder ready. Boom. After I hide all these wires, this will be a lot better. And look, bop, bop. Put that on a different. Alright, here's another quick tip from TRS. Stay tuned for more.